So here's an example. So this is XRP at that particular amount. So let me show you how it works. Okay. So at this current time, the total price for XRP was, about 40 cents. All right. So what you do, you look for a floor. So as you can see, there's kind of a natural floor right there, and then you find the lowest point of the floor. So point one is 0.3765. And then this point all the way down here is 3360. Now keep in mind, it hasn't reached that point in a long time, but if it did, you need to know what that dollar amount is. Okay. All right. So roughly point one, has been, the floor. All right. So then you want to cross off the ones that you're counting, the quarters. You want to cross off. So in the thousandths, so using the thousandths, you want to cross off these two numbers, the last two numbers in the thousands. Just cross them off. Okay, if you're using the thousands, cross off the last two. Now you have 39. What's the 39? Is the current price. Then you have 37, which was point 0.1. 39 minus 37 equals 2. And then now you have the other 39, which is the same current price. So now we're going to do 0.2. All right, so 0.2, that's where you get the 33 from. 39 minus 33 equals 6. All right, so for this particular price point where XRP at, this is what I call a 2 to 6 cycles. Okay, all right, so once you've calculated the cycles, then you go to the chart. Okay, you go to the chart. So level 10, cycle 2 and 6 is going to cost me roughly between 10,000 to 66,000. Do I have that? No. Skip. All right, now I go to level 9. Okay, so now level 9 is only going to cost me, 5,000 to 32. Now the last level was 98 to 66. As you can see, it goes down. So you just want to find the level that you're comfortable with, depending on who you are. You know what I'm saying? What color group, whatever it is. Okay, and you just find the one that you're comfortable with. When you find the one you're comfortable with, that's the one you're going to use. Okay, buddy, that's the one you're going to use, Buckaroo. All right. So it goes all the way down. As you can see, level 1. Okay, so all right, now I know what you're saying, buddy. That's only for stocks. I mean, it's only for crypto. What about stocks, dude? All right, here you go. All right, so this is BlackBerry at the time, and what you're looking for is floors. Okay, so as you can see, there's a floor here, and then that's the point for that floor. Then there's a floor here. Okay, that's the point. Now, when you're using cents, okay, you want to get rid of the cents. Okay, you just want to look at the whole numbers. All right, so 6 minus 5. 6 minus 2. So this particular one would be a 1 to 2 cycles. Okay, so you could use this strategy on any instrument. Okay, you're just looking for certain price chart patterns. All right.